Today we're discussing the ransomware attack against Foxconn and HMRC data incidents. Welcome to the HUTSIX InfoSec Roundup. Hello and welcome, my name is Alex James and this is the HUTSIX InfoSec Roundup. First up today, HMRC reports 11 serious data incidents. Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs has, in the last financial year, reported 11 serious personal data incidents to the UK's data watchdog, the Information Commissioner's Office. Estimated to have affected almost 20,000 individuals, the disclosure comes as part of an annual report in which all government departments are required to publish information regarding any serious data-related incidents. One of the most serious of the incidents, affecting 18,864 individuals, occurred in May of last year, in which national insurance number letters were sent to 16-year-old children with, quote, incorrect details contained within. As part of the report, HMRC stated, quote, "We deal with millions of customers every year and tens of millions of paper and electronic interactions. We take the issue of data security extremely seriously and continually look to improve the security of customer information. We investigate and analyse all security incidents to understand and reduce security and information risk. We actively learn and act on our incidents." Foxconn hit with $32 million ransom. Electronics giant Foxconn has reportedly suffered a ransomware attack at a Mexican facility in which cybercriminals have stolen a plethora of unencrypted files. Occurring around November 29th, but only recently confirmed, the doppelpaymer ransomware syndicate has publicly shared stolen information from their attack as part of their attempt to extort the company out of approximately $34 million worth of Bitcoin. As the world's largest electronic manufacturer, the Taiwanese company boasts annual revenues of $172 billion, with over 800,000 employees worldwide, producing electronics for the likes of Apple, Sony, Huawei and Lenovo. Though connectivity in Foxconn's Juarez facility has reportedly gradually returned to normal, the company is believed to have had around 1,200 servers encrypted, 100 gigabytes of files stolen, and between 20 to 30 terabytes of backups deleted in the attack. The company is yet to make a formal statement on the matter. That's all we have for today. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe and share. And if you're interested in finding out more about information security awareness training, please head over to the HUTSIX website for your free demo.